Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, I've got kind of a special knife in front of us today, and it's maybe not so much the knife itself, but the story behind the knife. And I just thought it was really cool. I'll share that with you later on. But what we have here is the WorkSharp RMX. Now, this is a Reserve Series knife. It's a second Reserve Series RMX. We had the Blackout version first off, but now we have the reverse Tanto, and this one has been dubbed Doug's knife, and that comes into this story. Now, our RMX, we've got our magnesium integral handle once again, deep carry clip, and of course, it is button lock. It is convertible to an auto, so you can convert it to an auto if you like right now. It is a button lock. I have not converted it as of yet. I'm still kind of trying to decide if I'm going to. I mean, obviously, I always say using a button to open it is not my favorite. But like I said, there's something a little special about this knife. So we'll see. We'll see. But, like I said, reverse Tanto. You've got CPM 3V on the blade steel. And there you go, you can see right across the blade that it does say Reserve Series. Now, I have the original here that has been converted, of course. And there you go. Pretty much, the same knife. Now, the other Reserve Series, the blacked out version, that one was actually a drop point. It wasn't a reverse Tanto. So, but pretty much this one, same as the original. For the most part. Obviously, you've got the Cerakoted blue and kind of the silver highlights. We're definitely going to get into that as well. But just as a reminder, we'll do a quick spec check. I got to show you everything it comes with as well. So we're talking a little under 8 inches, a little over 7.5 actually, 7 5/8-ish. About 4 1/4 on the handle, which should give us about 3 3/8 on the handle, which it pretty much does. Right in there. And then your blade length going to be coming in pretty much right about 3 inches, maybe just a hair under. And 3.5. 3.5, maybe a hair more on that handle, that grip length, which as you know is pretty much my favorite. Jimping is fantastic. And the one thing I like about it is they tell you it is sharpened to 15 degrees. I love that. When companies tell you exactly what it's been sharpened to, so there's really should be no guesswork. And, like I know a lot of knives, your production knives are sharpened at 20 degrees, but it's not always exactly. Sometimes it's 22, sometimes it's 20. But they tell you, 15 degrees, that's what this is. And it's super thin. Thin, slicey, that 3V, yeah. And $150, okay? Now, like I said, we've seen the RMX on the channel before. And there's something that makes this one pretty darn special in my eyes. And it's pretty much special through the eyes of WorkSharp as well. I have something here that I want to share with you. Now I know it's probably not going to be the most visually impressive thing, but we're going to go with it. So, what is the deal behind this version of the RMX? Well, like I said, it's been dubbed Doug's knife. Now, Kyle shared this with me, and I want to share it with you guys. This is an RMX Reserve Series knife. Same RMX as you already know and use. Nothing changed mechanically. What makes this one different is why I wanted to build it. The blue and silver colorway is a dedication to Doug, our longest tenured employee. I think that's pretty cool. Doug's been part of WorkSharp for almost 30 years and leads the power crew. Building parts for WorkSharp and Drill Doctor products. If you've ever used a Drill Doctor, there's a pretty good chance Doug built your chuck. Around here, Doug's known as just as much for who he is as what he builds. Big smile, remembers names, always notices the small stuff, brings a ton. I can't read and do that at the same time, apparently. Always brings a ton of positive energy to the floor, and also happens to be a lifelong Dallas Cowboys fan. That's where the color influence comes from, for sure. The knife isn't meant to be a big statement or a new direction for RMX. It's just a way for me to say thanks to someone who's helped shape our products and our culture over a long time. As part of that, $10 from every knife sold will be donated to the Living Opportunities, an organization that originally connected us with Doug and supports people with disabilities find meaningful employment. Now, I think that's awesome. I love knives that have stories behind them. You know me, I'm a Finch guy, and there's usually some sort of inspiration for pretty much every Finch design, and that's really why I like them. And well, not only that, they're really good knives, but, like this, there's a story behind it. This is Worksharp's way of paying homage to a long-time tenured employee for their longest, 30 years. Wow. So, very, very cool. So, with that, I just want to say, congratulations to Doug, man. That's awesome. 30 years with the same company. You don't hear that a lot anymore. So I greatly, greatly appreciate it. And very cool, that there's organizations out there in the community helping those with maybe physical or mental or whatever disabilities finding meaningful employment. That is very, very cool. And that makes this knife just that much special. I do like the RMX. It's very nice. Like I said, I'm not sure I'm going to convert this one. I thought about, it's probably going to end up in a giveaway. So, hey, if you're a Dallas Cowboys fan, like I said, not everybody's perfect, but no, kidding, of course. It's an awesome story, and I love it, and I love how Worksharp paid homage to Doug. That is very, very cool. Now, of course, these guys drop today. Very cool. Go check them out at Worksharp. There'll be a link down below. Please feel free. And it's pretty cool that they're donating some of the proceeds of the sales to the organization that helped Doug get his job and get started out. That's very, very cool. So, huge shout out to Worksharp. Kyle, thank you so much for sending this one out and kind of letting me share the story behind it. And, Doug's story a little bit as well. That is very, very cool. And, of course, thank you guys for stopping by and checking it out with me. Greatly appreciate you. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. I love talking to you. Until next time, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.